New leaks are once again putting the Huawei Pura 90 series in the spotlight, and this time the focus is all about the cameras. The upcoming flagship lineup is expected to launch with some of the most advanced imaging hardware we've seen from Huawei so far. While previous leaks already hinted at big upgrades, this fresh information suggests even bolder changes are on the way. According to recent reports shared on Chinese social media, the Huawei Pura 90 series could feature three major camera highlights. The most eye-catching detail is a 200MP main camera. Huawei has reportedly been testing 200MP sensors for its 2026 smartphones, and it now looks very likely that at least one model in the Pura 90 lineup will include this powerful sensor. A 200MP main camera would mean extremely high-resolution photos with more detail, better cropping flexibility, and improved clarity. High megapixel counts also help in low light conditions when combined with pixel binning technology. This allows the camera to merge pixels together to capture more light and produce brighter, clearer images, but the 200MP story doesn't stop there. Earlier leaks suggested that Huawei has been testing two types of 200MP lenses, one for the main camera and another for a periscope telephoto camera. There are even rumors that the Huawei Pura 90 Ultra could become the first smartphone in the industry to feature a dual 200MP camera setup. That would mean both the main camera and the periscope zoom camera would use 200MP sensors. If that happens, it would be a major step forward in smartphone photography. However, it's important to remember that these details are still based on leaks, and nothing has been officially confirmed yet. Now let's talk about the periscope camera, because this is where things get even more interesting. The latest leak suggests that Huawei may introduce both a fixed focal length periscope sensor and a multi-focal length periscope sensor in the Pura 90 series. This is a bold move and could significantly improve zoom performance. A fixed focal length periscope camera offers one specific optical zoom level. For example, it could provide either 5x or 10x optical zoom. This type of lens delivers strong image quality at its set zoom level, but if you want to zoom in further or zoom out slightly, the phone has to rely on digital zoom. Digital zoom can reduce image quality because it simply crops into the image. On the other hand, a multifocal length periscope camera is much more flexible. It uses movable lens elements inside the periscope system. This allows the camera to switch between different optical zoom levels without losing quality. Based on the leak, this multifocal system could support zoom ranges like 3x to 2x and even 10x optical zoom. That means users would get true optical zoom across multiple focal lengths, instead of being locked into just one. The result would be sharper zoomed photos, better framing options, and more creative freedom. The mention of a large aperture periscope camera is also important. A wider aperture allows more light to enter the lens. This improves low-light zoom photography, which has always been a challenge for smartphones. If Huawei combines a large aperture with high-resolution sensors, the Pura 90 series could deliver some impressive nighttime zoom shots. Based on the information so far, these advanced camera specs may belong to one of the Pro models in the Pura 90 family, possibly even the Ultra version. That would make sense, as Huawei usually reserves its most powerful camera hardware for its top-tier models. There is still plenty of time before the expected 2026 launch of the Pura 90 series. That means more leaks and changes could appear in the coming months. Huawei may continue refining its camera system before making anything official. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, the Huawei Pura 90 series could push smartphone photography to a new level. With a possible 200MP main camera, advanced periscope technology, and multifocal optical zoom, Huawei seems ready to compete aggressively in the flagship camera race. For now, we'll have to wait for more details. But one thing is clear: Huawei is aiming big with the Pura 90 cameras, and the competition should be paying close attention.